Hi everyone and welcome to another video edition of CollegeDekho. This video is for the candidates who wish to join the CA course this year. We've gathered all the basic information regarding the CA program and I will present it to you in this video. CA Chartered Accountancy is a highly professional accounting, auditing, taxation and financial assessment practice for an individual or a business firm. In India, Chartered Accountancy certification is required to practice professionally as a CA. The candidate must complete 3 levels of training developed by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India to become a certified chartered accountant. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is a statutory institution in India that governs the profession of a chartered accountant. A candidate can enroll in a chartered accountancy course through the foundation course or the direct entry route. The foundation course is for those who have completed class 12, whereas the direct entry route is for those who have completed graduation. The foundation exam, also known as the Common Proficiency Test, is the first board of testing for the CA course, followed by the intermediate and final exams. The CA Foundation, Intermediate IPC, and the final examinations are held twice a year, tentatively in May and November. Aside from these exams, a student must complete 3 years of practical training, also known as an articleship. Let us now discuss the eligibility criteria for the CA course. Eligibility criteria for CA Foundation route. To be able to sign up for the foundation exam, the applicant must have completed 4 months of study after registering with CA. First, the candidate must register the board of studies, followed by 4 months of study. The eligibility criteria for CA direct entry route. The aspirant must meet the following eligibility requirements for direct admission to the CA intermediate course. Commerce graduates or postgraduates with at least a 55% aggregate or equivalent score can apply for this entry route. The applicant must have studied accounting, auditing, mercantile laws, corporate laws, taxation, costing, economics, management, business administration, or management accounting. Graduates or postgraduates from non-commerce fields must have obtained a minimum of 60% aggregate or its equivalent grade in any recognized university examination, including Open University. Let us now check out the different course levels of Chartered Accountancy. After completing the 3-level course, candidates are certified as qualified chartered accountants by the ICAI. The following examinations are held during the course of the Chartered Accountancy qualification: CA Foundation exam, CA Intermediate exam, CA Final. Students can enroll for the CA course through 2 routes. One of them is known as the CPT route and the other is known as direct entry route. CA course after class 12 through the CPT route. Previously, the CPT, Common Proficiency Test, was the first level of Chartered Accountancy examinations in India. However, according to ICAI's revised scheme, it has been replaced by CA Foundation. A person who wishes to enlist in the CA course after completing class 12 must pass the CPT exam, which is conducted twice a year. CA course after graduation through direct entry scheme. After graduating, a person can enroll in the CA course and receive a CPT exemption. To be eligible for direct entry into the CA program, the aspirant must first satisfy at least one of the following eligibility criteria: pass the CA's executive exam, passed the CMA intermediate exam, is a commerce graduate or postgraduate with a minimum of 55% marks, is a graduate in other subjects with a minimum of 60% marks. Let us check out the CA selection process and structure. Here are some important pointers to know about how to become a chartered accountant. Students must register with the governing body for CA programs such as ICAI. They must pass 3 course modules: the CA Foundation exam, the intermediate course and the CA Final, which includes a variety of CA subjects. Students are qualified to begin their articleship with a CA firm or a practicing CA after passing the first level, which consists of the CA Foundation exam and the first group of intermediate course. They must pass the CA Final exams after completing their 3 years of practical training. They must also complete computer-related training and an orientation course to improve their information technology and soft skills. Let us now discuss the career scope after completing the CA course. Chartered accountants advise businesses on high-level strategic decisions like market expansion for clients or employers and improving profit margins. Aside from that, many CAs start their own businesses and go on to become extremely successful entrepreneurs. Here is a list of top industries for chartered accountants. After completing the CA course, a fresh chartered accountant can expect to earn between Rs 6 lakhs to 7 lakhs per annum, which will increase with experience. Here we have mentioned the average annual salary of a CA. To know more details about Chartered Accountancy, make sure you go through our course page, which provides all the information regarding the course. If you have any queries or doubts, send them through our Q&A zone or call on the toll-free helpline number 1800-572-9877. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.